Hi, my name is Roberta Andrade. I'm a professional organizer from Sao Paulo, Brazil, and I'm here to introduce you to my NAPO2020 presentation, Team Player, how to be an effective member of a team and manage your own crew of subcontractors. Are you starting on this industry and need to learn how to behave while obtaining valuable information at someone else's client? Or are you unsure of how to train and how to carefully choose who will share the workload with you? On this session, you will learn the do's and don'ts of how to work with other professionals, either as a leader or as a team member. After attending this session, you'll be able to learn to be proactive without smothering others. You will learn how to effectively work for someone else and identify if you're a team player or a leader. So if you feel that it's time to step up and reach the next level in your career, please join me for NAPO 2020 in Orlando next April. Bye for now.